Good evening, student. In last video we have discussed mensuration 16.2 till question number 9. Now we are today taking up question number 11. It says that the cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence all around at the rate of rupees 15 per meter is rupees 5,400. If the length of the garden is 100 meter, find the area of the garden. First of all, when they are giving us a enclosed, that means it is a perimeter or fencing. They are telling to us it is a rectangle. Here A, B, C, D. Okay. Total cost of fencing is rupees 5,400 rupees, and cost of 1 meter is equals to rupees 15. Now first of all we'll find out the perimeter because जब हम fencing कर रहे हैं तो हम इसकी outside को cover कर रहे हैं, तो that means perimeter of a rectangular garden. How will we find out? जितनी cost total लगी है divided by 1 meter की cost, we'll cut it, we'll get 360 here. So perimeter will be equals to 360. Now this is equals to perimeter of a rectangle is twice of length plus breadth, that is equals to 360. हम इसका हाफ कर देंगे. हमें लेंथ उसने दी है 100 मीटर प्लस breadth. We'll find out the breadth from here. You will cut it with 2. It is in meter. So 100 meter plus breadth is equals to 180 meter. Breadth is equals to 180 meter minus 100 meter. So breadth has 80 meter. Now we want to find out the area. Area we know of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So length हमारे पास 100 meter है और breadth हमारे पास आ गई है 80 meter. So when we are multiplying, तो area will be 8,000 meters square. Next question is the width of the rectangular room is 3/5 of its length. Width जो है 3/5 of the length x meters. If its perimeter is y meters, write an equation connecting x and y. Find the floor area of the room if its perimeter is 30 meter. So they have, first of all we know the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is twice of length plus breadth. अब हमने उसने हमें दिया perimeter is 2 and length is x and breadth is 3/5 of the length. Okay, so here we solve it that y perimeter of the floor they have given is 32. Now we'll put this 32 also here. 32 meter, that is equals to 2 into x plus 3 by 5 of x. So 32 meter is equals to twice of, हम इसका LCM लेंगे 5 आ जाएगा, तो this is 5x plus 3x. 32 meter is equals to twice of 8x by 5. Now we divide this by this, तो here it is 16. हम कट कर देंगे या इसको डिवाइड में ले आइए तब कट कर दीजिए. तो 16 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 8x डिवाइडेड बाय 5. अब हमारे पास x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 16 इंटू 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. 8 1 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 10. तो x इज 10. सो द लेंथ इज 10. नाउ ब्रेथ इज 3/5 ऑफ x. x की वैल्यू हमारे पास 10 है, तो दिस इज ब्रेथ. 3 into 2 is 6 meter. Length is 10 meter. Now find the area of the room. Area will be length into breadth. Length is 10 meter into breadth is 6 meter. That will be equals to 60 meter square. I hope you understand this question. 15th question, I am taking up the odd ones. 15th question is a rectangular room is 6 meter long, 4.8 meter wide and 3.5 meter height. Find the inner surface area of the four walls. When we have to find out the inner area of the four walls or area of the four walls, the formula is twice of length plus breadth into height. Now in this question, in question number 15, they have given length as 6 meter, breadth as 4.8 meter and height is as 3.5 meter. हमारे पास एरिया ऑफ फोर walls formula is there, twice of length plus breadth. हम perimeter को height से multiply कर देंगे, then we will get the area of four walls, twice of 6 plus 4.8 and multiply by 3.5 meter square. So when we add them, it will comes 10.8 into 3.5 meter square. Now multiply them. 2 into 3.5 is 7 into 10.8 meter square. Now when we are multiplying this, 7 8s are 56, 5 as it is and 7, and point will come here after one digit. So answer is 75.6 meter square. Now the 17th question is similar as we have done the question number 9, and it is very easy. You can easily find out the area and perimeter of these figures. We have already done in class 8th also. So you will try this question. We are going to next question, question number 19. Question number 19 says that the area of the square plot, area of square plot is 484 meters square, and find the length of its side and the length of diagonal. So when they are saying length of the side, so we know that area is equals to a square, side into side square, 484 meters square. We'll find out under root of 484, that is 22. So side area means one of the side of the square is 22. Now we have to find out the diagonal. There is a formula for find out the diagonal of a square, that is a under root of 2. A is 22 under root of the 2. The side under root 2 हमें करना है, तो side हमारी यहाँ पे आई है 22. We'll put the value of this 22 under root 2. So this is a diagonal. This is the answer for diagonal, and this is the side of the square. Now the question number 21. 21 says that a wire when bent into the form of equilateral triangle. अगर हम वायर को बेंड कर रहे हैं, वो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बना रही है. दैट मीन्स ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. एनक्लोज एन एरिया ऑफ 36 अंडर रूट 3. एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज 36 सेंटीमीटर, 36 under root 3 centimeter. Find the area enclosed by the same wire if it is bent in the form. अगर हमारी यही वायर, जितनी ये वायर की लेंथ है, वो स्क्वायर में हम अगर उसका स्क्वायर बना लें तो क्या होगा. अब नाउ द एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज गिवन. फ्रॉम हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, बिकॉज वी शुड नो द पेरीमीटर. इसका पेरीमीटर, ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर, क्योंकि हमने इसको बेंड किया है तो वो ट्रायंगल बना है. अगर इसको ओपन करके हम स्क्वायर बनाएंगे तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज under root of 3 by 4 a square, that is equals to 36 under root 3. Under root 3 is cancelled with under root 3. A square is equals to 36 into 4. A is equals to 36 is the 6 into 6 and 4 को हम लिखेंगे 2 into 2. तो A क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास. We'll find out the under root of this is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. तो साइड हमारे पास इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल की 12 आ गई. तो all sides are equal in a equilateral triangle. तो perimeter of a equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. तो ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास 36 सेंटीमीटर. अब जो हमारा perimeter आया है इसी वायर को हम बेंड कर रहे हैं स्क्वायर में। जब हम इसको स्क्वायर में बेंड करेंगे दैट मीन्स द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल। सो दैट मीन्स पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल triangle. तो perimeter of a square is 4 into side and perimeter of a equilateral triangle we have find out 36. तो यहाँ से हम a की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे। 9. तो square a side of a square is 9 and we have to find out the area enclosed by it. तो स्क्वेयर का एरिया होता है ए स्क्वेयर, मतलब साइड इंटू साइड 9 into 9 centimeter square. So that is equals to 81 centimeter square. So area is a square, that is equals to 81 centimeter square. Now they have told us the same thing, area of हमारा second part, this is the first part कि area of a equilateral triangle is equals to area of a square. Now जो area of equilateral area perimeter of a perimeter of a square is equals to perimeter of a equilateral triangle and we have find out the area of a square. Now similarly we have to find out the more than its width से 2 सेंटीमीटर। लेंथ अगर x, लेंथ ब्रेथ अगर हमारी x है तो लेंथ है x plus 2। तो हमारे पास पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल पता है हमें, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, क्योंकि हमें इसका भी एरिया निकालना है। तो हमारे पास पेरीमीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज 36 सेंटीमीटर एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज ट्वाइस ऑफ लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ। 36 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इज x plus 2 and breadth is x. तो 36/2 is equals to twice of, it is 2x plus 2. सो इससे हम इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे, यहाँ से ये 2 हट गए। 18 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 2x plus 2। ये इधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी x, ये आ जाएगा 16 इज इक्वल्स टू 2x। तो यहाँ पे हम 16/2 इज इक्वल्स टू x, दैट विल बी 8। सो दैट मीन्स द width is x and that is equals to 8 and length is x plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is equals to 10. So area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, 10 into 8, that will be 80 centimeters square.